Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. We did the door handle swap over the other day. Actually, I believe it was yesterday. And today we are going to tackle the mirror covers. As you know, there are chrome-looking mirror covers currently on my truck, and I am a devout anti-chromist. So we're going to remove those, and we're going to replace them with these shiny new painted mirror covers. And I'll do the install for you, and we'll see how easy this is. It's supposed to be very easy. Hopefully. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to keep you guys in the shot, but I'm going to be around this thing, so it's going to be a little difficult to do. I don't know. But anyway, the way I saw on the new ones, kind of push down and then pull over on the side when you're doing it, because that's how it clasps. In the bottom, it kind of has fixed points that fit in, and then you snap it in this way, if that makes sense. So we're going to try that. I already pulled on the one side a little bit and there was a snap. I'm hoping that wasn't a break. I don't think so. We're going to see. So anyway, what I did is I just pushed down on the top here and kind of pulled out a little bit on this side. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, hopefully. Let's see what happens. I don't know. It's off. Okay. And did we break anything? Does not appear that anything broke. So apparently my method, at least for getting this thing off, is good. There it is. There's the back side of the mirror. Let's see about putting the new one on. Again, what you have are these little nubs down here, and they're fixed. These all flex a little bit, but you don't want to flex those a lot, obviously. And it is warm. I did have it in the house, so it should be pretty warm, I think. So let's take a look, see what we get. I think just like that, and then like I said, you'd have to kind of push the top down. I hope. I'm going to take one more look. Yeah, I think that's pretty much how it goes. It appeared to me. So let's give it a try. Start with the outside, and then work your way towards the truck. And it does snap right in. It just takes a little patience, which, you know, and I don't think I have the other side all the way in yet. I didn't. You heard that little snap? That was finishing up the other side, I think. So we're gonna take a look around, make sure everything is in there correctly. It looks to be now. I'd hate to be going down the freeway and have my cover fly off, you know. So I'm going to check it out one more time, then we'll come back on and take a look at the truck. All right, we've got the mirror covers installed. That was a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Just from getting the new ones back on. The old ones coming off was really no problem, but the new ones were a little more difficult to get on without breaking them. And again, I was being pretty gentle with them, but they are on. You can see the new covers, and of course they're clean. The truck is dirty, so you're going to see a little bit of difference. Might look like a color difference, but there is none. You can see them here next to the new door handles. Looks pretty good, I think. Come over here and take a look at the driver's side, down the side here. Looks pretty good, I think. Go back over and take a look at the lighter side of the truck here because of the lighting in the garage. Came out pretty good. I think things are coming together. on my cement Tundra. Let me know what you guys think of the look. At one point I had thought about going black on the mirror covers and the door handles. I don't know, still think I might like that just as good, if not a little bit better, but let me know what you guys think. What do you think of the look? Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.